Grow multicolor roses from one single pot easily. Part 1. Grafting. Grafting creates multicolor roses by joining different rose scions onto one strong rootstock. Watch the professional grafter video to learn every step. Click the I button linked here. If you want an easier way, this video only for you. Part 2. Soil making. 30% vermicompost, 30% garden soil, 30% sand, 10% perlite, plus kitchen waste compost made from onion peels, banana peels, and leafy scraps. Part 3. Repotting. Now comes the real trick. I carefully take out 3 rose plants from these pots. Two of these are already grafted and produce 2 different colors each. My goal today is to create 5 colors in one pot. You can increase this number with same way. First, I gently separated from old pot. Then I planted all 3 roses very close together, touching each other's stems. From outside, it will look like one single plant. And when it blooms, you will see 5 amazing colors from one pot. Part 4. Pruning. Now, take a clean pruning scissors. Cut all leaves and old branches. You can do it before winter. Now, I am cutting off old leaves, thin branches, and damaged stems. It is important for getting more roses. Then I feed them proper nutrients step by step. Part 5. Use fungicide. After cutting branches, I apply fungicide to prevent dieback. But if you can't afford chemical fungicides, don't worry. You can use wood ash, turmeric powder, or aloe vera gel. Now I am using wood ash. Now I am using aloe vera. These natural treatments protect the stems and keep your plants safe. Part 6. Care and organic hacks. Every week, I feed my roses with organic nutrition. You can buy compost or you can make your own at home. Here is the trick how I made homemade strong compost. Using banana peels, leftover rice, leafy vegetables with water. Let it ferment for 2 weeks and you'll have a powerful liquid fertilizer. Now I've added organic fertilizer and mulched the soil with dry leaves. New shoots appear. Feed the plant and watch the magic. New buds form. Multicolor roses bloom. I also spray neem oil weekly and cold water twice a day during hot months. This keeps the leaves fresh and prevents pests. Multicolor roses bloom. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Nursery plants can be expensive, but with this simple technique, you can save hundreds of dollars and create your own multicolor rose plant at home. People will surprise to see this gem. Follow these steps, give weekly care, and soon you'll have your own multicolor rose plant from one single pot. It will save you energy and time, but it seems 99% single plant with multiple colors rose. Remember, you can buy all the products used in this tutorial. Organic compost, pruning scissors, rooting hormone, fungicide, neem oil, everything is linked below. If you want your garden to glow, you just need a little effort and the right tools.
Thanks for watching.
See you next Valentine.